Look, I can kill two birds with no stones. Just let life do it. Success is in a stone's throw. The scene's a fucking mosh pit. I'm sitting in my own row. Man are just clones though, copying the trend until it dies and then you go broke. The domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough. And I ain't focused either. People wanna eat but can't show me where the peas are. Don't try it, it's a no-no. Don't bother, it's a no bro. Your future looking copper, mine 20 karat rose gold. It's funny how I met faith and no hope. Music game slow-mo. Days I saw no growth but Christian doing promo. Hell, sleet, cold, snow and people wouldn't know though. When everything was blessed, before we went solo, we had man them on a Camden like Coco. Dead telling lies, I got pride like Soho. I'm a tour guide on a cruise ship, I'm trying to showboat, it's actually true. Cause when you count the groundwork, I'm actually new. You like supporting your people until someone gets successful, cause you want someone to blow until they actually do. And then they're pop stars, my end's still hot, I slip not, I'm a rock star. I'm on this road alone, my bros in the trap, he got sticky fingers, rolling stones. And on the other line, we got Jack Bennon, from Canada to London, lawyers and gunmen. Being by yourself can make the best of things redundant. I feel everything and nothing, man, I'm empty. I'm really on the edge, so don't tempt me to pick up something lengthy. Don't ever say I've changed. I'm on the bus and train with my headphones every day. You people don't rate the nerve to send shade. Like I never sent the message to your brother, use your brain. Put down your blade, like I never took the train to Essex in the rain for a session on my J's, with my girl, with my mates. Like I never fucking worked for this. When drill was the wave, I made a lane and then I nurtured it. And now you wanna talk like I never fucking deserved this shit. Like it all came quick to me, like I never wrote picture me. Literally, half the people dissing me ain't ever done a thing for me. You must be raised differently. Disrespect I didn't see, I'll hate you till I'm dead. I'm triple super saiyan when I flex on my pagans and my ex. They question if I'm staying just for sex, but I wonder what was playing on your head when you were laying on my bed. I'm just saying, no offense, I'm super cool, don't be shy, love. Using me to dig for gold. It's ironic cause your intentions are minor, I don't care. I'm lonely and I'm fired up. A 20-person guest list and some vodka on my rider. It's weird when you level with a person and they treat you like you're higher, or treat you like you're different. She said my music's like silk, it's inspired her. I'm more like apples, I'm inside her. I'm lonely and nothing more. 8 great minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore. I love you for this moment. She thinks I'm gonna dash, I'll let her link me like underscores. Ungrateful breed, these girls always want something more. Please don't annoy me, I may have called you princess, I ain't treating you like royalty. It's been less than 3 days, why you asking for my loyalty? Just look at what we went and done. I could have been anyone, this is something that I've never done. You say that line to everyone. From 17 to 21 you went from a 90-day rule and a checklist to screaming in a pillow with some talking and a neck kiss. Are you telling me that every single person you connect with can whisper in your ear and then just get inside your best bits? This game's so confusing, I don't know what I want from this. A virgin before music, girls came with my accomplishments, and now I don't believe their praise and all their compliments. I take my insecurities and hide them all in confidence. I'll tell you this in confidence, I'm young and I'm free. But do you know how much it hurts me? They don't love me for me. It's crowded in our scene, and people they just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell, see it's 100 degrees.